There's 11 Bascom Parkway. Oh, there it is. It's May 9th, 2015, and it's still snowing. No, wait a minute, it's February 9th. It seems like May. It's been snowing so long. We had another foot in the past 24 hours. And it's still snowing right now. I don't know if you can see the cute little flakes falling from the sky. This really is a ridiculous amount. And it's supposed to snow. Another storm. Today's Monday. There's another storm on Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening. And then a weekend storm, and then they promised us something for early next week. See, still coming down. Susie and I are going to Baltimore on Thursday, we hope. We hope we can get there. See these trenches I've dug. See our beautiful snow fence. There's the library. The Congregational Church. The famous wood piles. These wood piles are almost buried. You may be able to see the trenches I've dug to that middle one, far one there. But we're still getting wood. Look at this. This is amazing. This is not to be believed. Look at that. That wood is snuggled in its blanket of snow, just like our garage, our house. Got some serious icicles going up there. We'll go around the back of the garage, because for some reason the drifts are really big back here. See? Isn't that crazy? Here's the ash can. That's why we have a path back here. It's practically buried. Compost bins, it's buried. Funeral home, it's buried. It's kind of peaceful back here. I think I'll lie down in this snowbank and just take a little nap. I'll catch you later.